Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by enabling the Dzongkha keyboard in your system settings. This is essential. Once done, add the Dzongkha input method and confirm the layout is active. Make sure to set a convenient hotkey, such as Ctrl plus Shift, so you can flip quickly between languages. Now open a document or messaging app and switch to Dzongkha input. You will see the layout or on-screen keyboard. Use that to learn which Roman keys map to native letters, so you can start typing immediately. Now practice the actual key mapping and composition rules. You type a base consonant first, then add a vowel sign or modifier. This order matters. Use Shift to access uppercase forms or alternative marks, and Alt-GR, right Alt, for extra symbols when available. Once you see a consonant cluster, add the virama or conjunct marker per the layout to join letters properly. Make sure to enable predictive suggestions if your IM supports them. They speed up typing and reduce errors. Complete the session by saving your work and storing common phrases as templates for reuse. This saves time later. Once finished, switch back to your default keyboard with the hotkey. If text appears as boxes or odd characters, check 3 things. Confirm the Dzongkha input method is selected, ensure a Unicode-compatible Dzongkha font is installed, and verify you're using the correct keyboard layout. If problems persist, restart the app or reinstall the IM. That single troubleshooting step often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.